Gusto ng mga ating mga viewers na malaman ano ba ang mission and vision ng Queen Boss Society?
Our mission, of course, to empower more women through personal development and help them to be financially independent. Kasi isa talaga sa tinutulong ng community is hindi naman agad kitaan eh. Pero ma-improve muna yung confidence nila. Especially sa mga moms na naging part ng community namin or kahit hindi pa mommy, during the pandemic, nagkaroon kasi sila ng depression. So, bumaba yung confidence nila. Parang ang hirap nang bumalik sa dating sila. But because of the community, napaalala natin sa kanila na you have a purpose. Because of this community, na-remind ulit sila na kaya ko pala. Hindi lang pala ako babae lang, pero babae ako and I'm powerful woman. After the personal development, dun na magsisimula na, okay, kakausap ka na ng ibang tao, mamamarket mo na yung product, yung community, and dun na mag-start yung financially independent ng mga ambassadors natin. So, yun yung mission talaga natin. And our vision is to create 1,000 female millionaires worldwide. So, yun talaga yung goal. Kasi imagine, if we help 1,000 females to become a millionaire, meaning we help 1,000 families already. Yes. So, yun talaga yung vision ko, na dumami yung millionaires because of the Queen Boss Society. And once they achieve their millions, yung sarili nila, na-develop at na-grow nila. Parang hindi, dati kasi ang tagline namin, empowering women, changing lives. Pero hindi pala siya changing. We really need to transform lives. So, yun yung mission and vision ng community. When you earn your first million, it feels like parang lahat kaya mo na, parang gano'n, parang mas pinagtibay ka ng panahon. And yun nga yung journey. Sabi nga, it's not about just your first million, but who you become after you earn your first million. Kasi yun yung like ko sinasabi sa mga members na the goal here is not just to make money. Kasi napakababaw nun. Sobrang daming tao ang kumikita ng pera pero hindi masaya. Sobrang daming tao ang kumikita ng pera pero nakasira pa to sa kanila. Kasi nga, success can make or break you. So, it's up to you. That's why we train them that once you earn your first million, you really need to make that million na maging better ka pa.
Tama, no? Kasi yung kita andyan na eh. And then, yung purpose, yun talaga yung magpapasaya sa atin. Na bakit ba ako nag-grind? Bakit ko ba ginagalingan? Para saan?
Yes, kasi wala eh. Nag-start din talaga ang community because of purpose. Because nung sinimulan namin yung community, nag-stop ako mag-network doon. Pero I realized na it's really my passion to train more people.
Alam mo, Miss MK, nakikita ko na kung bakit naging successful ang QBS. It's because of your passion. Kasi if your passion, yun yung ginagawa mo. Like sabi mo nga, nag-accountancy ka. Pero ang passion mo talaga is mag-train, magturo. And yun yung sobrang na-amaze ako. Kasi hindi ko talaga siya passion. No? And nakita ko, ang pag lumalabas ka sa feed ko, you are training, nagwe-webinar, nag-zoom. Sabi ko, sobrang sipag mo. Pero it's your passion. Kapag kasi passion mo yung ginagawa mo, hindi ka mapapagod.
Yes, and sabi nga, you just don't find the things that you love, but you need to love what you do. So, every time, kasi may mga times naman na hindi lang palaging madali yung journey. Pero, ito yung pinili ko, and I'm finding love in every moment na ginagawa ko yung pagtuturo sa mga ambassadors. And seeing them succeed, siguro yun na yung most rewarding part para sa akin.
And syempre, yung mga viewers natin, lalo na yung mga kababaihan dyan, nang walang pinagkakakitaan, nagkakaroon na sila ng interest. Paano ba makapasok sa QBS?
Napakadali lang. Actually, you can message our page, Queen Boss Society Official, or message me directly, Krisha Pilapil Franch, and we will give you more details kung paano makapag-start. Ang pinakamahalaga lang, willing ka to change your life, to transform your lives, and of course, may pangarap ka.
So, ayan mga EV viewers, reach out nyo lang si Miss IMK.